I'm glancing through the questions to see if there's something else.
The next one here.
Yeah. And I think a lot of the questions are about who the choices were for who to interview. And again, I think, yeah, we can share with you exactly who we interviewed, but I think the trick for anyone trying this is to, in terms of the units contributing, I would go fairly broad. If you have any feeling, this is almost a way to test the hypothesis. We think this unit is a big role player or not a big role player, but involved in some way, that would be a good logic for including that unit as something that you ask faculty about. In terms of which faculty to ask, I could see a huge value in doing a very broad brush and surveying all humanities departments, all humanities and social science departments. If I had my druthers, I would just interview everybody because if we take it away from the humanities part and we just talk about these, interesting, somewhat independent digital research-based initiatives, you often see similar problems and similar resource demands cropping up really across every discipline. So I think your interest in how broad it goes really depends on how you frame, how you see that problem and what your guesses are about how deep the issue is on your campus. We kept it small only because we had a short time frame, and again, we found it was fascinating to see what the variety was, but our goal was in zeroing in on a handful of projects, so we just had a different aim. So in this last piece, I think I've gotten to most of the questions. It's always impossible to read when you're on a webinar and actually digest, so I should offer the other caveat / invitation, which is that so that the rest of the audience